Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare some amazing banana porridge. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have 5 green bananas. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some oil to my hand because I don't want that stain from the banana to stay on my hand. So I'm gonna add some oil and that will help to get rid of all of that stain easily off my hand. I will then go ahead and peel my banana, and guys, don't worry if you see some of the skin still leave on my banana. It is okay, don't worry about it. Just come along and just enjoy today's recipe. All right, so all of the ingredients will be listed in the description box, so you can always go ahead and check that out, and you can always go ahead and leave a comment and let me know what you think about this amazing porridge. Let me know which is your favorite porridge, if you like banana porridge, plantain porridge, or if you like oats, or if you like cornmeal porridge. Whichever one, drop a comment and let me know in the comment section. So once I'm finished peeling my banana, what you can do, you can always go ahead and rinse them off nicely. I will then get my blender, of course, chop up my banana in 2 slices, and of course I'm gonna add some water and blend that until it is smooth. And of course I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I also went ahead and put on my pot on the stove with a little bit of water, and I'm gonna allow that to come to a boil because we're gonna go ahead and add all of our spices. Again, all of the ingredients will be in the description box, so you can always go ahead and check that out. And remember guys, to let me know what you think about this amazing recipe. Remember, you want to blend this until it is smooth because you don't want any lumps. This is really easy and simple. You can always go ahead and make it for breakfast. You can always go ahead and just make it for the entire family, and let me know what you think again. And remember guys, even for lunch, if you want some porridge for lunch, you can always go ahead and make this amazing banana porridge. And the good thing about it, you don't need a lot of bananas. So I will go in, add some salt to that water, and of course I'm gonna add some freshly grated nutmeg. I will also add some cinnamon leaf, and of course I'm going to add some mixed spice. The mixed spice is optional. If you don't have the mixed spice at home, you can always go ahead and leave that one out. And of course, once I add all of that goodness, I will just allow it to boil for roughly about 5 or so minutes, and then I'm going to come back and add the blended banana. I turn my stove on low heat, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go in and add all of that blended banana nicely. And once I add it, I'm just gonna mix everything well together because you don't want your porridge to be too lumpy. And as you can see, I'm not making a lot. So once I stir nicely, I will just leave it and allow it to just cook nicely, and then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like once it's almost finished cooking. So this is my porridge, and of course you guys would have seen earlier I did not add any thickening agent to it. I just turned my stove on low heat and just allow it to come together nicely. And just a reminder, you don't want to overstir your porridge because you don't want it to be too watery. So this is what it looks like. It's really creamy and nice already, and I not even add the milk as yet. But anyways, this is what we want. This is the consistency, sorry, that we are looking for. So this is my porridge, and basically it's almost finished cooking. So what we're going to do at this stage, we're going to go in and add our vanilla flavoring, and of course we're going to add some evaporated milk and condensed milk and sweeten to taste. Now if you don't have the condensed milk at home but you do have brown sugar, you can always go ahead and add the brown sugar. Remember, you can always go ahead and substitute. Once I add the evaporated milk and the vanilla flavoring, I will just combine both of them together nicely. Remember guys, to always taste, because you want to sweeten to your liking. You don't want to over sweeten your porridge also, so you have to make sure that you taste, all right, along the way. So once I add the condensed milk, of course, I'm going to combine all of that goodness together. And of course, it should look a little bit more creamier. And of course, I'm going to taste. And then I'll just show you guys the final product. So stay tuned for it. It was really easy and simple. And of course, it was amazing. And basically, this is it. The final product of my amazing banana porridge. And I left it on the stove because I'm not going to drink it as yet. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. And I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember guys to subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember to tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. And see you guys on Friday for another awesome recipe. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.